Hey man, what's up? I mean, I don't know what's going on, but my garbage disposal is kind of clogged up. I poured these coffee beans in it. I heard that this is supposed to chop it up, and clean the system.
Do you have a problem with your garbage disposal?
Yeah, man, I don't know what to do. I mean, I just put these coffee beans in it,
Those clog up the drain and everything. Let me see what I can do for you.
Thanks, man.
The red button under here, that if it's popped out, just push it back in. Take this little garbage disposal wrench, put it inside, and turn it till the cutters are free. Once the cutters are free, now we'll run some cold water down there and see if we flushed all your coffee beans down. There you go.
So you mean to tell me if I take this tool here, press this red button, and give it a good twist a couple times, it'll clear out my garbage disposal? That's all it takes? I've been waiting for weeks. Thanks, man!
You're welcome, sir.